Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative cable and waiting 5 to 10 minutes to clear system energy. Once done, remove trim around the cluster with a flat pry and flashlight. Use the 8mm socket for mounting screws. Make sure to support the steering column. Do not force panels. You will feel 2 or 3 retaining clips. Release them carefully. Transitional idea. Once clips release, pull the cluster slightly toward you for connector access. This gets you ready for the bulb and wiring steps next. With the cluster pulled forward, you unplug each connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. Avoid twisting. Next, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to extract. Swap to the specified replacement, whether an LED or correct wedge bulb. Make sure contacts are clean. Use isopropyl on corroded terminals. Once replaced, seat sockets fully and rotate clockwise to lock. If your car uses board-mounted LEDs, note that desoldering is required. In that case, reinstall the cluster by aligning tabs and sliding it into the dash, then secure the mounting screws. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and test the lights. Use the dimmer control to verify full range. Once satisfied, turn the power off, tighten everything, and reinstall trim. If a light still fails, check the specific fuse and ground connection. Sometimes dimmer modules or a faulty bulb socket is the culprit. If unresolved, make sure to document what you tested before seeking professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.